Every night, millions of LED lights turn on around the world. Signs, landscapes, fountains, ceilings. Behind each one, a small box that never gets noticed. The LED driver. Let's look at 5 applications we built for. Number 1. Signage and displays. A sign that goes dark is a business losing money. So the driver behind it has to deliver rock steady. Flicker-free output, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Our constant voltage drivers are built exactly for that. Number 2. Landscape and architectural lighting. These fixtures live outside rain, frost, condensation. That's why we make IP67 waterproof drivers, with fully potted PCBs and die-cast aluminum housings, sealed for seasons. Number 3. Fountains and water features. Wet area lighting is the hardest environment for electronics. Moisture is the enemy. Our IP67 drivers shrug it off, season after season. Number 4 and 5. Indoor and industrial. LED strips, modules and linear fixtures run on constant voltage. Clean, steady, flicker-free power, project after project. Our constant voltage line is built for exactly that, with every unit passing the same 24-hour burn-in test. Main models are CE and RoHS certified. Selected models carry UL. Mock starts at 50 pieces. Samples in 3 to 5 days. If one of these applications looks like your project, DM catalog. Let's talk specs.